Okay, on this property we have downspouts that are coming down onto this driveway. Over here we have 2 downspouts that are coming down. There's some erosion of the soil that's taking place. A lot of pooling right here off of the neighbor's driveway. Our solution for this house is going to be to tie in those 3 downspouts. We're going to place a catch basin right here at the low area where this water is wanting to pool. We'll shape the ground around the area to make sure all that water is collected fine. We're checking with the neighbor right now to see what this is, if this is some kind of a drain or not. I'm not going to include it on the quote. If this is something that needs to be tied into the system or not, we can talk about that. But for the quote, we'll take care of the downspouts. We'll put down our catch basin here in shape. We're going to run this line out here. The lowest point for our pop-up is going to be right there at the base of this swell. That water is going to come up and terminate, and it's going to flow across the yard and continue downhill where the water naturally wants to go. One thing we had talked about that I'm not going to include in this quote, if you have any interest in me coming up with a proposal for this, is that area by your back fence where it kind of holds water and gets a little swampy, but doesn't terminate very well. If you want me to come up with something for that or look into that more, just let me know.